In the shadow of prosperity, the silent spectres of financial ruin loom, ever-present and insidious. Credit card debt. The spectre of high interest rates haunts the unwary, swiftly ballooning the balance owed into a mountain of despair. Student loans. The weight of educational debt is a heavy chain that can take years to unshackle, a relentless burden on the shoulders of the hopeful. Unexpected medical expenses. Health costs emerge like thieves in the night, a significant source of debt that can bleed one's finances dry. Excessive housing costs. Committing a large portion of income to shelter can strangle the ability to save, leaving dreams of comfort just out of reach. New cars. The rapid depreciation and financing costs can sabotage one's financial stability, turning a symbol of freedom into a yoke of obligation. Superfluous spending, impulsive and unnecessary purchases gather like storm clouds, threatening to unleash a deluge of debt. Lack of retirement savings. Failing to save for the twilight years can lead to a future fraught with financial hardship, a cold and unforgiving horizon. These are but mere examples drawn from the well of general knowledge on personal finance, as varied as the lives they touch. It is always wise to seek personalized financial counsel to navigate the treacherous waters of money management. Don't miss out on any more content. If you're looking for inspiration, entertainment, and quality information, you've come to the right place. Subscribe now to my channel to become part of our growing community. Click the link in my bio to find out more, and don't forget to turn on notifications to stay updated with all the latest. Let's embark on this journey of discovery and fun together. Join us! Now, I'm going to show you one of the solutions to these problems. It's a step that can illuminate the path to financial freedom and bring a sense of control back into your life. This solution is not just a band-aid, it's a strategy that can help heal the wounds caused by financial stress and set the stage for a brighter, more secure future. Budgeting and planning. Embark on a thrilling quest to track your income and expenses with a detailed budget. Set clear and realistic financial goals that sparkle with possibility. Emergency fund. Create a treasure chest for life surprises. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. It's like having a financial guardian angel. Debt reduction. Charge forward in the battle against high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off credit cards and consider debt consolidation strategies as your powerful allies. Financial education. Dive into the enchanting world of personal finance. Invest time in learning and exploring educational resources to make informed, wise decisions. Knowledge is your magic wand. Conscious spending. Wave goodbye to impulsive and unnecessary spending. Use techniques like shopping lists and thoughtful reflection before purchases to cast a protective spell over your wallet. Extra income. Seek out exciting opportunities to boost your income, whether through a side hustle, selling unused items, or investing in new skills. Turn your talents into treasure. Professional assistance. If you're navigating stormy financial seas, seek the guidance of a financial advisor or join financial assistance programs. There's no shame in asking for help. It's a brave and wise choice. Remember, every situation is unique, so it's important to tailor these strategies to your personal circumstances. Embrace the journey with optimism and joy and watch your financial dreams take flight.